ITA Nordic is a sustainably growing mechanical engineering company specialized in high-quality and technically demanding turned and milled precision components and in complex sub-assemblies. We invest in the latest robot technology and modern factory automation. We can meet all of our customers' needs without exception, and our own production processes are in constant development. In addition to our excellent customer service, we operate extremely cost efficiently so that our clients can focus on their own business. Competitive, fast and secure results require goals which are agreed upon together. Based upon these goals, the functions are optimized according to the customer's needs. We source the raw materials operationally or strategically based upon the agreement. We work in close cooperation with the Ovako steel mill, which is located logistically nearby to us. We are specialized in turned and milled components of exacting specification. Whenever needed, we invest in modern machinery and we optimize the products according to your specification. We can deliver very complex sub-assemblies and ready-machined components. Quality assurance is a natural part of all production processes. Automation and robot technology connected to our processes enables us to always maintain the same level of quality. We will make sure that the result is always unmatched, regardless of the production volume, competitively, cost-effectively, and always on time. We deliver products to customers in small batches or in large quantities based on customer requirements, and, if necessary, we provide stock service and management. ITA Nordic is a trusted long-time partner to our customers who are the top performers in their respective fields in machine and equipment manufacturing. Our customers increase their competitiveness with our expertise.